Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Excel with colors. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make a drop-down list. At first, select some cell on our sheet. Then go to the data menu and select the data validation option. Click this data validation. Now I am go to the setting option and select the allow drop-down menu, choose list. Then select the source option. Now I am select my source. Select this data and press enter. Then click OK. Now click the drop down list option and add your data using this drop down list. You can add color, go to the home menu, select the shading color drop down menu and add a color. Now we can see we make a drop down list in Excel with colors easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for